Let's see here now. Okay. Oh. So. See. Gotta take off first.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Something like that. The height. And active track. Trace. There. So. Now, let's see if it works. Hopefully. See if it's still following me. Yep. It looks like it's working. Yeah, still tracking. It's still tracking. I don't see this. The sun is glaring too bright. Is it still tracking? Yeah, amazing. It's working pretty good. A lot of trees here. Let's see how that will turn out. Oh, I think I better turn back here. No, it stopped. It stopped somewhere down there. Ooh. Oh, I see it. It was that a birch tree there. Made it stop. Okay. Good. Oh. Okay. Come here. Come here, little drone. But it's quite enjoyable to ride around here on the forest roads with this little bike. Oh, feel the acceleration. Feel the power. Well, this setup worked perfectly, even on dirt roads. This would never have worked with that 3D printed piece of junk I bought.